Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the old Bitcoin token. Ticker symbol is BC. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the old Bitcoin token. Ticker symbol BC. So today is January 3rd, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing today, January 3rd, 14 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. There's also a deposit to share event going on with 1,000 MX tokens that you can get involved with, and you can find that listed on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_global. So they just announced this 4 hours ago, new listing alert. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, all you'd have to do is, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search BC, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the old Bitcoin token. That is about it. So it's going to be in the spot trading assessment zone today, 14 hours UTC time. Now, if you want to find more information about this token, you can go over to Mexc Global's Twitter, which I just mentioned, or they have their own Twitter, which is at old BTCERC. So that's where you would find that. So about this token, this is an ERC-20 token. Maximum supply, 21 million tokens, just the exact same as Bitcoin has. Fun fact. And their official webpage, oldbtc.net. They also have a Telegram at Old Bitcoin ERC. So this is an ERC-20 token, so they do have an Etherscan that you could check out. Right now they have 2,256 holders. I'm sure they'll have a lot more after today once they get this Mexc Global listing. 11,509 transfers, 9 decimal places, and 21 million total tokens. Now, they're on their Twitter, they have 16,600 Twitter followers so far. They just joined in December 2022, so this is a very brand new project. 227 tweets so far, so they're very active on their Twitter. It says, "Welcome to Old Bitcoin, exactly how Satoshi envisioned it back in 2008. Say no to bankers and centralized entities." So their webpage here, you can find more information on there. There's a chart available on here. It'll take you to a DEX tools chart. There's a contact email in case you need to contact them. So it says, the 1st of January 2023, launch has been a success. So this token literally just launched 2 days ago. And they already have, how many did I say? 2,256 holders. So a lot of people excited about this token right off the bat. Launch has been a success. At the time of writing, we have a market cap of over $2 million, over 1,100 unique BC holders. So now they've more than doubled that. And a thriving community with our Telegram. However, work must proceed. We are happy to announce a partnership with Beep, which is another token, ticker symbol Beep. More information to follow on Twitter and within our Telegram. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko have been applied for. We expect a response soon. The team has grown. You'll see more moderators in the Telegram now keeping things in order. Any issues, they'll be there to resolve things swiftly and smoothly. The Bitcoin DAO has been set up. You'll see this being utilized in the near future. Taxes were reduced to 2%, and the contract was renounced as per the community's wishes. Initial taxes were pushed to increase the liquidity pool, and now we're at higher market cap taxes, and we will be using this for buybacks when necessary alongside funding, marketing, and development. After just 3 days, we've hit #1 on DEX tools trending organically. Now we just look into the future. Our full roadmap will drop in the next few days, but now you can look forward to the Shield to Earn Bitcoin DApp, and that's under development. Satoshi's Real World Vision Roadmap coming soon. There's going to be celebrities and viral marketing campaigns. Central exchange listings like the Mexc global one that's happening today. And then it says plus more. We look forward to this journey with you all, Satoshi and Michael. Obviously, Satoshi is not really involved with this project, though, here, I'd assume. December 28th, it says what Satoshi originally... so this is what they wrote in December 28th. What Satoshi originally dreamed of before government interference and manipulation, before the super rich stockpiled to create it unattainable for the regular man, the original Bitcoin now on the ERC network, we bring to you old Bitcoin, BC, with a 21 million circulating supply, a fair launch ERC-20 token to commemorate the original Bitcoin Satoshi envisioned. With no team tokens and 100% supply added to liquidity at fair launch with 2% taxes. The taxes will be utilized for improving the liquidity pool over time, marketing, and future developments. By holding BC, you will not only become a part for the movement, but you will be granted access to the BC DAO. So you'll be involved in voting rights where the direction of the project goes. And yeah, all those things will be coming soon. The DAO, the Shield to Earn app, future BC use cases, Satoshi's Real World Vision Roadmap. And they kind of give you a history here. Is this, maybe there's mining here. What is this? Okay, so these are talking about running nodes on here. You can get involved with this if you like. There's all sorts of links that you could go to and check out. Is this for actual? Yeah, anyways, there's a download link here, Bitcoin-0.1.5 RAR, and you can check that out if you like. That seems very like a lot of technical information on this. We don't really have time to go through all that, but anyways, this token just got listed here on Mexc Global today, so check out that Mexc referral code down there. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about old Bitcoin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And make sure you like this video and subscribe for daily crypto videos where we go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.